Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little to Simple. In the intricate landscape of modern technology, where devices are becoming increasingly smaller, faster, and more powerful, the role of semiconductor manufacturing companies is paramount. Among these, ASML stands out as a true pioneer, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the fabrication of semiconductors. With its innovative technologies and relentless pursuit of excellence, ASML has become a linchpin in the global semiconductor industry, driving progress and enabling the next generation of technological breakthroughs. The origins. ASML, founded in 1984, has grown into a global leader in semiconductor lithography, with headquarters in Veldhoven, Netherlands, and a presence in over 60 locations worldwide. Its inception coincided with the rising demand for increasingly miniaturized electronic components, particularly in the realm of integrated circuits. Recognizing the critical need for advanced lithography solutions, ASML set out on a mission to revolutionize semiconductor manufacturing. The evolution. Central to ASML's success is its development of cutting-edge lithography systems. Lithography is the process of transferring pattern from a photomask to a substrate, typically a silicon wafer, to create intricate circuit patterns on semiconductor chips. As semiconductor technology advances, the dimensions of these patterns shrink, demanding ever more precise and sophisticated lithography solutions. ASML has been at the forefront of this evolution, continually pushing the limits of optical and later EUV lithography. Optical lithography systems, which dominated semiconductor manufacturing for decades, reached their practical limits with feature sizes approaching 100 nanometers. ASML's investment in EUV lithography technology has been substantial, with over 3 billion euros spent on research and development in this area since the late 1990s. EUV lithography enables the creation of features as small as 7 nanometers, significantly surpassing the capabilities of traditional optical lithography. The breakthroughs. In response to these challenges, ASML spearheaded the development of EUV lithography, a groundbreaking technology capable of producing even smaller features with unparalleled precision. EUV lithography employs extremely short wavelengths of light in the ultraviolet spectrum, enabling the creation of intricate patterns at the atomic scale. ASML's NXC3400B EUV lithography system, introduced in 2019, achieves a resolution of 13.5 nanometers, enabling the production of the most advanced semiconductor chips today. The adoption of EUV lithography has been accelerating, with ASML reporting a 68% increase in EUV system revenue in 2023 compared to the previous year. ASML's EUV systems are utilized by leading semiconductor manufacturers including TSMC, Samsung, and Intel to produce cutting-edge chips for a wide range of applications. The collaborations. ASML's success in advancing lithography technology is not solely attributable to its own efforts. Collaboration with industry partners, research institutions, and semiconductor manufacturers has been integral to its achievements. Through strategic alliances and joint research initiatives, ASML has been able to leverage the collective expertise of the semiconductor ecosystem, accelerating the pace of innovation and overcoming technical hurdles. One notable partnership is ASML's collaboration with semiconductor giant Intel. Together, they have worked on next-generation lithography technologies, pooling resources and knowledge to tackle the most challenging aspects of semiconductor manufacturing. Similarly, ASML has forged alliances with other major players in the industry, including TSMC, Samsung, and Global Foundries, fostering a culture of collaboration and knowledge exchange. The Moore's Law. Moore's law, which posits that the number of transistors on a microchip doubles approximately every 2 years, has served as a guiding principle in semiconductor technology development. ASML's contributions to lithography technology have been instrumental in upholding Moore's law, enabling the continued miniaturization and increased functionality of semiconductor devices. By consistently delivering more advanced lithography systems, ASML empowers semiconductor manufacturers to produce chips with higher transistor densities and improved performance. This, in turn, drives innovation across a myriad of industries from consumer electronics and telecommunications to healthcare and automotive. CSR. In addition to its technological prowess, ASML is committed to sustainability and corporate responsibility. Recognizing the environmental impact of semiconductor manufacturing, ASML strives to minimize its carbon footprint and promote sustainable practices through its operations. Efforts to reduce energy consumption, optimize resource utilization, and minimize waste generation are core tenets of ASML's sustainability strategy. Moreover, the company actively engages with stakeholders to address social and ethical concerns related to its business activities, ensuring transparency and accountability in its operations. The future. Looking ahead, ASML remains poised to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of semiconductor manufacturing. As the demand for smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient chips continues to grow, the importance of advanced lithography technologies will only intensify. ASML's ongoing research and development efforts, coupled with its collaborative partnerships and commitment to sustainability, position it as a driving force in the semiconductor industry. With each technological breakthrough, ASML pushes the boundaries of what's possible, fueling innovation and driving progress in the global technology landscape. ASML's journey from a small Dutch startup to a world-leading provider of lithography solutions is a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance. By revolutionizing semiconductor manufacturing through groundbreaking technologies like EUV lithography, ASML has not only transformed the way chips are made, but has also paved the way for a future where technology knows no bounds. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of innovation, ASML stands ready to lead the charge, shaping the course of technological advancement for generations to come. See you all again in the next video, and until next time, have a good one, guys.